Let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed some people completely disappear from the corporate world? No viral LinkedIn post, no dramatic announcement. They stop climbing. They live in small houses, fewer hours, older cars, somehow, but they look peaceful. In this generation, when everyone is hustling for the next generation, this type of people stop climbing and step off the treadmill. Today, Professor Owl is going to tell you that why they did it, what's happened inside their brain. Step off from the treadmill is genuine or by mistake. So let's start with the uncomfortable truth. The rat race is not a trap someone set for you, but it built by your own brain. Inside your brain, something called the mesolimbic system. That is your brain reward circuit. This reward circuit is light up every time you get promoted or increase your salary and someone says well done. Research from the Cornell University show the reward status activate the same neural pathway as the food and addictive substances do. Your brain treats the updation of the post or joke like a hit of dopamine. So people are not weak for staying in the rat race, but they are running 300,000 years ago evolutionary code. Your brain triggered it as dopamine, promotion, lifestyle upgrade, need more, and repeat. The quiet exit. But then there are some other kind of people, the people who not fell from the ladder. They simply look at the ladder and walk away. Their brains show different kind of pattern in the prefrontal cortex when they weighted money against their worth, money against their time, money against their freedom. In 2021, research from the London University showed that the people who are voluntarily downshifted their career, their results are fascinated. So what are the causes of this recalibration? There are three possible answers of this question. First one is burnout, because after enough hours and period of time, their amygdala receive or trigger it as a predator. The race stop feeling from the progress and start feeling like a survival. The second one is most powerful, health wake up call. Your doctor say you pre-diabetic and stress induced hypertension. So your brain same in a different scenario. Your office corner convert from success to the survival and slow-mo cut down start. And the third one is watching someone die with regret. Imagine you are sitting by the hospital bed and someone you love is whisper, I wish I had worked less. Mr. Owl tell you must hear it clearly. You are not broken, you are not too lazy, you are not falling for reach your potential. But you are following something else, a drive toward autonomy, a life that feels like yours. If you are struggling or your anxiety is real, it doesn't mean you made wrong choice. It means you are human, navigating a path without a map. The ladder will always exist. Hope so you enjoy the video and now you aware most of the thing that you never know before it. If it helpful for you, like and comment it and subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates.